For today's project, the scrunchie, you will need yarn in the color that you want for your scrunchie, some scissors, a sewing needle, some hair ties. I like these ones that don't have the clasp on them. They're clasp free. I picked these ones up from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to use a size 5 millimeter hook. We will begin by chaining 51. You want to make sure that after you chain 51 that you straighten your chain out, and then you're going to join it to the first chain you made with a slip stitch. Then we are going to chain 2. And we are going to work in a round. We are going to double crochet into each chain, which should be 50 all the way around. When we reach the end of this round, we're going to join it to the first double crochet with a slip stitch. Then we will chain 2 and repeat this round until we have done 5 rounds of 50 double crochets. I will meet you guys at the end of this row so I can show you how to join them with a slip stitch and how to prepare for the next round. Here I am at the end of this first round where I double crocheted into the chains, and I'm just going to slip stitch into the first double crochet, making sure that this is not twisted, that it is straight. So I will make a slip stitch and then I will chain 2. And I will just continue doing rounds of double crochet, 50 double crochets, until I have 5 rounds done. So this is my second round. I am going to go ahead and finish all 5 rounds, and then I will join you after that. Here I am after 5 rounds of 50 double crochets. And now I'm going to take a hair tie, and I am going to crochet this together around the hair tie. So if you see, I've put the hair tie in between, and I'm going to come across. I fold it in half, and I come across, and I'm just going to slip stitch the 2 edges together. And so I'm just going to do this all the way around until I reach the other side. It can be a little tricky. You just have to remember to make sure that the hair tie is in between and that you are going into the next stitch and the next chain and slip stitching them together. So for this part of it, it's not too tricky. I'll meet you kind of halfway and show you kind of what it looks like as I work to slip stitch the two edges together. So here it's gotten to the point where I can actually wrap all the pieces around it, and that kind of helps get it done a little quicker. But yeah, it kind of takes a finesse, some moving around. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish slip stitching the two edges together to close it off. Here I am at my last slip stitch. This one's kind of tricky. I'm catching on some stuff. There we go. And I am going to chain one, and I'm going to leave a longer, well, not super long tail, but I'm going to clip that off, and then I am going to tuck this string into the scrunchie, and it'll just kind of float inside. So I just kind of stick it in there and then exit out one of the sides, cut the string and move it around so that it's in there. And then I'm just going to move it around. I like the seam where we slip stitch together to be on the outside. I think it just looks better that way. And you just kind of scrunch it up and you have a scrunchie. And there you go. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.